exceedingly, abundantly, above all you could ask or think, according to His power that worketh in you. In you, God is able to do just what He said He will do. He's gonna fulfill every promise to you. Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. He's able. He